Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube quick pro demo series. So in this short video, I am going to introduce you to my, it's not actually my, but the video editor that I usually use for my editing my videos. So I thought of creating a short video where I can also show you how do I do that, because this software is actually available just free of cost. There are just few things that you need to know. So let me tell you about my machine, that laptop I have. It's very old laptop. It's 7 years old, so it's not a very high-end performing laptop, and it has 8 GB of RAM. So in case if you have higher or any good processor, this software which I'm going to show you is going to work on any sort of that computer as well. So now to start with, you can see this is my YouTube channel here. You can just look at the videos that I have created, and honestly speaking, the videos are really decent in comparison to having such a low-end laptop and creating such videos. It's really decent. I like this tool actually. So let me just take you to this tool now. What you need to do is, first of all, the requirement is that you need to have Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10, you just need to type here video. You type here video editor. Once you type here video editor, you just have to click this, and the app will open. This is an inbuilt app within the Windows 10. Okay, in case if you do not know about it, please, this is what you can do. Okay, these are different projects that I have already worked on. So the next step that you need to do is you need to create a project. And here are different options for the project. You can import a project. You can also create a new video from scratch. But I am actually going to show you a demo, and that's going to be like this. One second, demo. So first thing, name your project. That's what I'm doing, demo. So once you name this project, what you need to do is you have different options here. This is the portion. This is the place where all your files and contents are going to be placed. Okay, this is the place where your video is going to be shown, and this is the storyboard. This is the storyboard where you can drag and drop the content and compile your project. So let me do one thing. Let me just drag and drop all the things that I want here. So there are two ways to do that. You can just click on add and add from a PC, add from a collection, add from website. If there is a web address you want to do that, you can click on this. I want to add from PC. Here is my project content. I have saved it actually. So one way is that I add it through this. The other way is that I have this folder here available here. So I have this folder available here. I can just do one thing. Let me just show that to you. I can also do like this, drag and drop. So it works both the ways. So you can choose whatever way you want to try. And since I have just selected this, I'll just say this, and I'll just drag and drop them. So all the files are going to be available for you here now. And now it's going to just take few seconds. So guys, you see here, everything is available here in the project library now. Now what you need to do is you need to add these elements one by one, or you can also add all of them. So what you can do is you can just click on this and use your shift icon. And once you use your shift icon, you can select all of them and just drag and drop it, or you can just select one of them and just say place in storyboard, or you can do anything with that. So, and here are different ways to see them. So if you have just limited number of images or videos in the project library, you can also view them like this in the medium size, or you can also see them like this in the small size, thumbnail size. So I usually like this one. So now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to add all of them. So this is not about one second. So this was our trip to Paris. I went with my parents, and so I just took it as a demo. And okay guys, so everything is added now. So what you see now in the storyboard is all the elements that you want to use to create a video. And remember here guys, what you see here is actually the timing. So it's the time duration for which this image is going to stay. So you can change this timing here. So you want to hold it for 7 seconds, 5 seconds, all of that you can change here. So I'm just going to keep it here 3 seconds. It's sufficient, I think. And now on the videos, there is a separate tab here. I'll just show that to you. I'll show some videos here. So here you see these guys, 49 seconds, 33 milliseconds. This is what you have here. And the second option you have on the video is the volume. So in case if your video has a background music or content or some noise or someone is talking, you can just mute it here by clicking on this. So once you do that, your video is going to be muted. That means now you can add a custom background music as well. So I will just mute all of them. So that's my first step. I'm going to do all my videos. I'm just going to mute it. And so guys, I have already muted all the videos that I wanted. Now, for example, if there is an element on the storyboard that you do not want, you can just select it here For example, I don't want this element here, so I select it and you can just delete it from here. So this is how simple it is. It's just plug and play now. And now let's talk about the features of this tool. Okay, so first thing, once you are creating a video, if you want to add tiles in this, for example, there is a title sheet you want to add. So I'll just show you how that works. So you can select one of the image and you can say add title card. So once you click that title card, there is a title card added here, and now you can change the duration of the title card. As I showed you before, there is a timer here. You can change it for 3 seconds or 5 seconds, the duration you want to choose. You can choose it. Now I want to add some, let's say, text onto the title card. Okay, I'll show that to you. So I'll just select this, and there are different formats available for the title you want to place. I will just say my to sorry, this is just my trip. That's just the keyword. Okay, so my trip to Paris. So this is how you can see the text. If you want to change the layout of the text, you can choose this, and see how amazing this is. This is so nice, actually. I like this one. And guys, because of my webcam, I think you might not be able to see the bottom. I'll just disable my webcam for a while. Okay, so you see there are different features available here, and now in the layout, you can just change the layout. How do you want to see this text? You want to see it like this? You want to see it like on the center? You want to see it on the top, all of the content? Okay, so you can select different options here. So this is on the top, this is on the side, all of this you can customize. So this is all it can do. And now let's say I'll just stick to one of them. I'll just select the joy option and say it is at the center, and I will say done. So once you're done, you can just say done here. Now, what next you can do is, in case if you do not like this blue background here, you can just go on the background section for the title, and you can just change it to maybe something, whatever you like here. Just go along with the colors that you like. You can choose this or choose this. I just choose this one, and you can customize this colors as well. So just say done. So this is what you can do with the add title card. And now what you can do additionally is that once you select any image, or it could be a video as well, but for example, if you have an image, you can just select, there are different options. You can change the duration, you can add a text onto an image. So let me add a text. So these text labels are exactly the same. So I just add this text onto the top, and let's say into a simple text. That's it, just an information text. You can also change it the way you want to, and I'll just say done. So for these 3 seconds, now this text is available. If you want to change the text duration here, you can also change the duration of the text here. So you just want it for this 1 second, you can just change it. Now the text is going to stay only for a second, not more, even if the video or the image is 3 seconds. So I'll just change it and bring it here. You can change the duration, how long the text is going to stay on your image. And what else can you do is you can actually add motions figures to your image and things like that. So let me select one of the image and add motion to that. So you have a motion feature where you can add zoom in, zoom out, the way it goes in a video. So you can say zoom in center, zoom out center, all of these different possibilities are available here. So I'll just say I've selected one of them, and I'll just select one of them so that once the video plays, you can just practically see it. Okay, I'll just say zoom out center and just select. Now guys, what else you can do is that you have options for 3D effects. You have let's select motion is done. Now let's talk about the 3D effects. So let's say if you want, let me just select one of the picture here. So I'll just select this image, I'll say 3D effects. So I can say on 3D effects. So this has a library of 3D effects which you can use, and it will just be a movement. Okay, so guys, what you can see here is a library of 3D effects. These are okay, these are not just, you can also add from the 3D library which connects you to the online web browser. If you have an internet connection, this will be connected, and you can add them. So let me add one of them and show it to you how this works. So I'll just select this one. So it's autumn here. So I'll just select one of it, and yeah, you see, and you can now you can play and see how does it work. You can just click on this and see this is how you're going to see. Okay, and there is also a volume. If you want to do not want this volume here, you can just turn off the music or the background sound here, and or you can just reduce it actually. So I'll just reduce the volume level to 0. I don't want to hear that because I will add my custom audio. So you can also go to 3D library here. So here you have that 3D library that consists of animal, insects, words, symbols, action, adventure, and you have different possibilities here. So I'll just select one of them and add one of the element and show it to you. So there are these elements here. I'll just add, let's say, yeah, I'll just add a helicopter here. So you see the element is being added, and now you can just turn the element, you can just align the element the way you want to, and you can also just turn it as the way you would like to have it in the picture. And yeah, and then you can just also change the duration for which you want to see this. Okay, so here is, you can just change the start and end of this. So I'll just select during the entire image, it should be like that, and that's how it can. So once done, I'm just going to save it, and you can also replay this image and see it, but I'll show that directly to you once the video is compiling. So you just have to say done. And now what other option you have is called as the filters. So if you want to add filters to your images or video, both of them, you can add them as well. And let me show you that as well. So there are different filters available. You can add any of the filter and just change the way your image looks. I'll just add this one and say okay. Now the another option that you have along with this is if you have some black boundaries, so you can just get rid of them. So you see remove black bars. So once you click on this, all the black bars are going to be removed. And you also have undo facility if you want to undo the change that I don't want. So you can just click on this. It works like Control Z, and you can just undo it. So, and you want to go back to the change that you want to have, it works both the ways. And now let me show you what can we do with the videos here. What are the possibilities to do with the videos? So for example, guys, I have taken this video clip. Okay, so if you have multiple clips and you want to form a whole compilation, this is the clip I have. Now what I can do is I can trim it, I can split it, I can add text, I can add motions to this, everything I can do same things. Now let me talk about trim. Trim is all about deleting or removing the initial and the final content. So let me show how that works. Select the trim, and once you select the trim option, you can just play. And I see that okay, it's fine. There's nothing to be trimmed here in the front, because sometimes it happens you create a video, then initially it takes some time and you want to remove that part. So the video is playing fine. I just want to trim it slightly in the front and in the end. So you just have to select this and move this slightly, and towards the end I want to trim it like this. Okay, I'll just select this part. That's it. So video is only going to play for this much duration of the bar from here until here. Okay, that's all it's gonna do. So I'm just going to hit the button done here. Once done, so this clip is saved. And same thing I can do with the another one. And now let me show with the another one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change or trim the image or something like that in the middle of the video. So what I'm going to do is split it. So what is the split feature? I'll just show that to you as well. So the split feature, what it does, it's, for example, if your content is okay in the front and also in the end, but there is something wrong in the middle, what can you do with this? So you just say play, and I see it's fine in the beginning. And I say after such, let's say this part, I want to split it. So I'll just stop it. I can also select this arrow and slightly move with my arrow keys. I can just go back and front. Okay, this is the part I want to split it. I'll just say done. Okay, so I said done. Now what I have is, now this clip is split into two different parts, and now I'll just select the second clip and again start the video here, and I'll just again click on the split and delete the part. 1 second, I'll just show that to you. So let's say I split it here. Now my video is split into 3 different parts, and I don't want the middle part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this copy of middle part, and now I'll get rid of it. This is how you can remove anything between the video. Okay, this is how the split feature works. And now let me show you the text thing. The text thing, as I said before, it works the same way as I showed you earlier as well. There are different library text available here. You can just say, hi guys. Okay, and once you say that, you can just select the way you want to say it. Okay, I'll just say it like this and just say yes. Now you can also select the time duration you want to choose it. There is a time bar here. 1 second, guys. So here is the bar here. Now you can just select how long do you want to have it. So let's say I will want to have this text throughout the entire video clip, and you can say done, and that's it guys, that's also done. So guys, these were the different features available for video, and the images you can change. And now let me show you how can you change the background music as well. So you have two different options. There are few music libraries available along with the Windows 10, and there are also custom audio option where you can add your custom audio clips that you want to add. So for example, I wanted to add the custom clip. So the entire video is 2.2 minutes 20 seconds. I'm going to add a custom audio file. Let me show you how we do that. I have clicked on the audio file, and I will drag one of the audio clip I have. So I'll just select this one, and I'll just 1 second. So guys, you can see here there is a audio clip that is added here on my tab here on the side, and now you can change the volume of this music that you want to have, because in case if you're speaking and then you want to add a background music, you would want to have it a bit low. Otherwise you can also continue with some 60 values or something. You have the option of fade in and fade out. So since this is the middle, this is the audio clip in the middle, I'll just say fade out, and I will add another one of the same type. So guys, I have added one more audio clip here. Now you can just change the duration you want to have this audio clip like this. Okay, so this works pretty easy, and I will just bring it to the part where the first ends, and now I will just change the volume of this audio clip, and also I will just set it to fade in because it's during the beginning. I don't want it to just pop in, and I will just sync it to the same volume level, and that's somewhere here. Okay guys, once done, you just have to say done. That's it. The audio is added now here, and now you can also add as I said, there is also already an existing library. You can also select the music from there, but that's pretty simple process guys. You just have to select this, and you can select the music file from here. So once you select, you can select the music and change the way I just did, and if you have a custom audio file, you can add that. So once you are done with this guys, so what you need to do next is that you can replay and check all your content. How does it look like? So guys, once we are done compiling the video and creating the video, what we need to do next is we have to click on this finish video button. So once we say finish video, it's going to start creating the video. So let me show you what it does is you have to select a directory where you would like to save the video, and then it will export it in different formats. So if you would like to export it as 1080p, you can export it like this. You can also select medium or low, but I mostly go for 1080p because this is a quality that I really need in my videos. And you just have to click on the button export, and it will ask you for the directory where you want to save the video. See, you can select the directory here. And now let me show you something next. So there are different projects available here. As I said, you can import a project, you can export a project, but this was in short the demo of this. Now I will just compile this video and show you how does it look like. So friends, this was a short demo on how I use my video creator tool here available with Windows 10, and hopefully you have also learned it, and please use it. This is really free of cost, and I think for the basic settings that we require to create our video or edit our video, this does really work fine, because I do not want to spend money on Adobe Premiere or Adobe Photoshop or any other tools, because you have to pay monthly installments and I'm not really interested in that. So guys, if you liked my video, please go to my channel and do subscribe it, do like my video content and stay connected with this. So this is my YouTube channel available here. The link to this channel is available in the description section. Please do go through this. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.